Hello, back again on our YouTube channel. As always, we have prepared some vinyl installation demonstrations with simple obstacles that are sometimes overlooked by beginners. How is the video? Let's watch it to the end. In the first video, we demonstrate the installation of vinyl that is not at a 90-degree angle. It's very easy. Watch the video to the end. After making the cut, remove the remaining marker and install the vinyl. In the second video, the same obstacle course but using two vinyls. Do the same with the other vinyl. This method takes longer. However, the results are no less good. As always, after taking measurements, you have to cut it, and the final step is to attach the two vinyls. For the third video, the obstacle is a semicircle. How to install the vinyl? Let's watch the video. To create a circle, we need a special ruler and take a look at how to make one. After cutting, remove the remaining pieces. Clean the marker and then install the vinyl. This is so amazing! Finally, on the same obstacle, however, using two vinyls to attach. Take measurements carefully so that the results are more precise. After that, make the first cut, then measure again to find the semicircle. Use material that is the same circumference as the obstacle course. We used a grinding wheel this time. After the measurement is completed, remove the remaining markers and the vinyl is ready for installation. This is so amazing. Which method will you use?